Hey guys, guess what? Swiggy Instamart is giving a free ice cream to chill out the summer, and also you'll find a 1 rupee ice cream on 1 rupee Swiggy Instamart store. Interested? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? As you see here, you can place an order on Swiggy Instamart rupees 199 and you'll get a free ice cream which you can claim. That process which I'll show you in the later part of the video, and also 1 rupee item on 1 rupee store of Swiggy Instamart as usual, you all know. And you can check out this lactocalamine product on Swiggy Instamart, and it is for sweat bumps, rashes, blister or breakout on skin due to heat. You all know these days you have hot temperatures, hot summer, and also super humidity. You can apply the lotion on your sweat bumps as shown in the video, and you will have a cooling effect, and later you will get rid of those sweat bumps or sweat pimples, whatever you call. And here is corn cutter. You can check out this product. It is superb and it is easy to peel out the corn as shown in the video. Now we'll check out 1 rupee ice cream or 1 rupee products, and also a free ice cream as shown here. It is Brooklyn Chocobar ice cream, and it is super yum, and it has got no preservatives, low GI, keto friendly, and no added sugar. So here is 1 rupee product of Brooklyn Chocobar ice cream on Swiggy Instamart store. It's super good. It's layered with a chocolate as shown here and creamy inside, and you have Hoko ice cream of 95 rupees on Swiggy Instamart 1 rupee store. Get this ice cream at 1 rupee on orders above 199 rupees. You have this here fudget, a brownie that costs 67 rupees, but on Swiggy Instamart 1 rupee store just at 1 rupee on orders above 199 rupees. Yes, so here you can enjoy this delicious brownie, and it is soft, tastes good with chocolate flavor. You can enjoy this squishy delicious brownie just at 1 rupee. And here is free ice cream from Swiggy Instamart. It costs 95 rupees. This Go Zero orange flavored ice pops, and let me tell you, these ice pops are made of Spain's Valencia oranges, and it tastes super nice. You know, it melts in your mouth, and it has got that flesh bursted flavors. So do enjoy Go Zero ice cream because it has got no added preservatives, no added sugar, and no artificial colors. And now let's check out as how to get free ice cream on Swiggy Instamart. Okay, first go to my description box, click on the link as shown on the video. You can share this link to your friends as well. Once you click on that link, you will see free ice cream pop up. Tap on claim it now. That's it, done. Here is free ice cream for you, which you can claim in 10 hours of time, otherwise it gets lapsed or expired. As you see here, you can go to 1 rupee store and add 1 rupee ice cream or any other 1 rupee product on order value 199 rupees. And let me tell you, to claim free ice cream also, you have to have the cart value of 199 rupees. Once you add all the products to the cart, go to cart and just confirm your free ice cream, which is labeled as free gift, and also 1 rupee ice cream which I have added up, or any other 1 rupee product. After confirming, go to coupons, apply the coupon. Once you apply the coupon and check out, after placing the order, you can see scratch card. You can scratch and win coupons. That's it all for today. Do you enjoy free ice cream? And if you want one, do check out the link in the description box. That's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.